Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is RTERSS.com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, the site has mentioned that they will provide free shipping for orders over $50, and the site sells different varieties of hair accessories items. Here we can see that they have showcased their products and the product images are very much amazing. The product look very much beautiful as well, but the prices of these products are quite high. We can see that the prices of these products are around $50, which is not much reasonable. Now let's check out the FAQs so that we can know what are the payment methods they are using. So here they have mentioned that they will take PayPal, Visa, MasterCard as their mode of payment. So now let's move ahead to the shipping policy. Here they have mentioned that they can take 72 hours of processing time, and they will deliver orders within 10 to 22 business days. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 15th August 2020, which means it is approximately 1.5 months old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility. So now let's check out there some other details like About Us section. So in the About Us section, they have mentioned some of the details regarding them, like they were founded in 2016 and they are fast growing company, and they have given very limited information here. Also, they have not mentioned anything regarding the owner's identity, which is not a very good thing. Also, the information given here does not look to be very much authentic. It looks a bit copied. The prices are quite unreasonable and the payment methods are sufficient. So now let's move ahead to the other details like Contact Us section. So here they have given a query form which you can fill and ask your queries about. Also, they have given their customer service email ID in which you can contact them, and it matches with the website domain, which is a good thing. Now they have also given their company's address and their telephone number as well. Although the information given here is not looking very much legit to us. Now talking about the social media presence, the site is having no social media presence whatsoever, which is a bad thing. Now let's check out their return and refund policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 30 days of return policy, which is quite sufficient. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now talking about the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews whatsoever, which is again a bad thing. Now finally talking about the website content quality, the website content quality does not look very much good to us as we can see some copied content, copied images and copied information as well. So now guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because it looks like a possible scam to us because the site is very new. It is having some fake information and they are also having no customer reviews. So we ask you to wait for a while for the site to gain some credibility. Till then, do not waste your money here as it can be a possible scam. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.